back my YouTube family, where today we are going to dive deep into the world of business analytics. Today we have something really exciting for you. Get ready to explore an Excel dashboard for import, export, business or shipping data. At the top of our dashboard, we have some important information. Look, we have got the total quantity, because who doesn't like to know how much they are shipping? And then we have discounts, because who doesn't love to get a discount deal? And of course, shipping cost and total cost. Now imagine having all this information in one place, your very own dashboard of insights. But wait, there's more. Buckle up yourself for these Sparkline trends for each of this KPI. These lines will show how your business is performing over time, like a shining star. Next, we are taking a journey through the states with the order by state. Pure data driven excitement. Let's zoom in the further and explore the order by city feature. It's like having a virtual tour of bustling cities. Time for the little flashback. We have a monthly line trend chart covering the year from 2015 to 2017. It's like looking back in the time and seeing how your business has grown. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the ups and downs of the historical data. Moving next, our dashboard also allows you to explore the orders by customer. Type features, it's like hosting a special event where you can separate your customer into VIPs, regular and newcomers. So here, our customers are divided into corporate, home office, small business and consumers. Now let's dive into the world of products. With our order by products type, you can become a detective, discover which product types are popular and which one might need a boost. It's like solving the mystery with your data. It's time to set a sail on the order by product container. Imagine you are on a treasure hunt seeking the most profitable ways to ship your products. Will it be through mighty cargo ships or air freight? So in simple words, you have to select small box, jumbo drum, large box, small pack, wrap bag, medium box. So as per our data, we have this one. Last but not the least, we have a secret weapon. So you have to set this order priority as per your party. If your party is VIP, you will be set it to high priority. So at the bottom we have orders by days. Here we can track our orders on the basis of days. So we can adjust our strategy and we can plan our resources as per the trend with reference. So first of all, I'm going to convert my data into table. So you need to press Ctrl D from your keyboard. Press OK. So your data is converted into table. From here, you need to press on it, show tabs and commands. From view, you need to check this formula box. So this is my order data. I'm copying it, going to my table design, and I'm going to change the name of the table because the tracking can be easy in the future. Now I'm going to power pivot. Here I'm going to add to data model, or simply going to insert. From here I will be inserting my pivot table. Make sure this option must be checked. Press OK. So this is my order trend. I'm copying this and I'm going to change the name of this pivot table. So pivot table analyze, and here I will change the name of the pivot table. So here I will be selecting my year, month and my total value field setting. From here, number formatting, number, make it 0. Okay, right click on it, pivot table option, and here I will uncheck this option. Going to design, subtotal do not show the subtotal, report layout show in tabular form, repeat all item. Now I'm going to insert. From here I will be selecting this one, right click on it, hide all field buttons, orders trend by months. copying this, selecting this, control B, select this one. So now I'm selecting this one, going to my format, and here I have to change the dimensions 2.79 and this one will be 8.85. Again I'm going to select this plus button, going to my data labels, not data labels. I'm going to select my data labels, home. Here I will be selecting this color, make it font color to white, make it bold. Again selecting my title, changing the color scheme to this one. So this is looking cool now. Now I'm going to copy this one, create a copy. So this will be my state wise orders. Copying this, going to change the name of the sheet of the pivot table from here so the tracking can be easy for me. Now showing show field list. From here I will uncheck these both and I will be selecting my state from here. Then right click on it, change chart type. This is looking fine. Now I'm going to my format. From here I will be changing the dimensions 2.72. So this is fine. Orders by state. Again I'm selecting this one, mover copy, create a copy. From here I will right click on it, show field list. Now I will be replacing the state with city. I'm unchecking the state. So these are my city order. I'm copying this my city order. Pivot table analyze and I will change pivot name as well. And here I will also replace it with city. One thing that I need to show here, that is I'm double clicking on my chart, going to my selecting my data label, going to this one label option, and here I will be selecting the category name and percentage. Same I will be doing for this label options, category name and percentage. So now I'm going to copy, mover copy, create a copy, customer type, right click on it, so this is my field list, and here I will replace my city with customer type. Right click on it, change chart type, and I will be selecting my bar chart. Press OK. From here right click and I will be sorting it from smallest to largest. Now again I'm selecting this one, going to my label options, and here I will uncheck category name and this option as well. Now going to my format, selecting my chart, replacing these dimensions with 4.64 and this will 3.4. Then you need to click on it, more color, custom. You need to copy this color and you have to select this one, going to fill, solid fill, and from here you will be selecting custom and you need to select this color for it. Basically this is our color scheme that we are going to use these both colors. Again I need to change in my previous. So selecting this portion, solid fill, this one, and the rest will be this one. Again, this will be my solid fill to this color, and this will be my this color. So this is okay now. So now I'm moving forward. Again, I'm copying it, move a copy, create a copy. This will be my product type. I'm copying this and I'm going to change pivot table analyze. Here I will change the pivot table name to product type. So going to my pivot table dialog box, and here I will be replacing customer type with my product category. Product category, orders by product category. This will be customer type. So again, I'm copying it, create a copy, product container. I'm copying it, going to my pivot table analyze, and here I will be changing the name of the pivot table. Again, I'm going to my pivot table dialog box, and here I will be replacing it with product container, and I will uncheck this product category. This is my product container. I will be clicking on it, going to sort smallest to largest. So this is fine. So again, I'm clicking move or copy, create a copy. This is my order priority. I'm copying it, going to pivot table analyze, and I will replace the name with order priority. Again, I'm going to my pivot table analyze. I will replace this product container with product priority, order priority, order priority. Right click here, going to sort smallest to largest. So this is fine now. Order priority. So now I'm going to add one more sheet here with the name of KPI and Sparkline. So I'm going here, I'm copying this table, pivot table here. So now I will be making a Sparkline for my order quantity. So for this, I'm going to my I'm putting my year and month in columns and replacing this sum of total with my order quantity. And I'm going to change the name of this to quantity Sparkline. Again, I'm copying this 3 times more. Show field list. So I will be replacing this order quantity with this discount. So this is my discount. I'm right click on it, value field setting number, and making it 0. Okay. So pivot table analyze, this is my discount spark line. Again, I'm going to my next spark line, right click on, and I will be replacing it with shipping cost. This is my shipping cost. Value field setting, number, make it 0. Okay. So this is my shipping cost spark line. Last pivot table, and I will be replacing it with this total cost. Right click on it, value field setting, number format, make it 0. So this is my order, this is my discount, this is my shipping cost, this is my total cost. So I'm selecting these pivot tables, copying this and pasting it here. So here I want just quantity. So this is my quantity number. Here I just want my discount amount. So this is my discount number. So this is my shipping cost, removing these, and this is my shipping number. Now again, removing these both of field from here, going to my pivot table design, and this is my total cost number. So I'm replacing these lines from here. So this data is ready. I will be using this data to build my KPIs on my dashboard. So now I'm going to add my last sheet with the name of my dashboard. So let's start building this dashboard. So here I will be typing my total quantity, and my total quantity will be, you need to press is equal to from your keyboard, and then I will be going to my KPI. So my total quantity is this, and I will press OK. So now I'm selecting this area, merge and center. Now I'm going to insert line. This is my location range, and I have to select my data range, going to my KPI. So this is my data area. I will press OK. Now I'm going to Sparkline, and from here I will be selecting this column. I will be selecting this area, merge and center, this area, merge and center, middle line, and increasing its size to, I think 16 is good. So now I'm going to change the background color to this one. Control 1 from your keyboard, going to border, select this border, and you need to select white color. Press OK. So now you need to copy 3 more cards, copy it, paste, and paste. Make it 90% from here. So this is my total quantity. This will be my discount. This will be my shipping cost, and this will be my total cost. So now I'm going to select the discount value, going to my KPI. So where is my discount value? This is my discount value. This is my shipping cost, and this is my total cost. Now I'm going to insert the Sparklines for my rest cards. So going to insert line range is this, and my data is in that Sparkline. Selecting this one, this is my discount. Again, I'm going here, insert line. My area is this and my data is here in this sheet. This is for shipping. Again, I'm coming here, insert line. My area is this and my data is here in this sheet. Press OK. So I'm selecting these three of them, going to line. So this is looking cool now. Now what I need to do, I'm selecting the rest area and I will be changing the background color to this one. I'm selecting this one. Border, and you need to select again this color. I want to this color again. So I will be selecting this color and outline. Again, I will be selecting this color, make outline. So my KPI cards are ready. So now I'm selecting my this rest area and changing the color to okay. Firstly, I will select this one and auto hide ribbon, going to my view, and I will disable these all grid line, heading and formula bar, so I can make the frame of my dashboard perfectly. Right click on it, going to my column width and make it 3, make it 2. So now I'm selecting this area and going to change the background color to this one. So now I will be visiting my all of the sheets and I will be cut all of the graph and pasting on that my dashboard sheet. So firstly, I will be visiting my state, click it, Control X, and I will paste it on my dashboard, Control V. So again, I'm going to my city, Control X, dashboard, Control V. Again, I'm going to my trend, Control X, and I will paste it on my dashboard sheet. So I'm pressing all of my these charts and I'm going to shape format, align, and here I will be selecting two options. The first option is align on top and the second option I will be selecting distribute horizontally. So now I will be visiting my customer type, Control X, Control V. Now I will be visiting product category, Control X, Control V. Again visiting product container, Control X to Control V. So now I'm selecting these grid line, press delete from your keyboard. Again select these lines, press delete from your keyboard. Same for it. same for it, and same for it. So now I'm going to align my these slicers with the color scheme of my dashboard. So I'm going to slicer. From here I will be selecting new slicer style. I will be selecting header, format, font, make it bold, press OK. Now I'm selecting selected item with data, format. I'm selecting this one, and my first color will be this one. So from here I will be selecting diagonal, and from here I will be selecting this one. So I'm pressing OK. OK. Now again going to my slicer, and I will be selecting my this custom slicer formatting. So now I'm going to connect my these all slicers with the dashboard. I'm selecting my this slicer, going to slicer report connection, and from report connection I will be selecting all of my pivot tables. So I will be repeating this process for rest my slicers. So I'm going to select this one and going to repeat this process again. So now I'm double clicking on my this chart. I'm selecting this one, going to my gradient fill. From here I'm selecting this one, and from here I will be selecting this color and selecting this one, and here I will be filling this color. So I'm making this 10%. Again I'm selecting this one, selecting this and repeating the same process on it. Again selecting this, going to gradient fill, selecting this one, going to my gradient fill. Now I'm selecting my this chart and I'm going to insert the trend line. From here I'm inserting this linear trend line. I'm selecting my this chart, selecting this trend line, solid line, making this 2.5 transparency, color to black. I'm selecting this area, control 1, fill effect. From here I will be selecting my this color. From here I will be selecting this vertical and selecting this one, pressing OK. So I'm copying this one and pasting, pressing Ctrl Alt V from my keyboard. From here I will be selecting format, so it will apply the format from here to here. So copying and pasting my format here, and format here. Now I'm selecting this one, again pressing Ctrl 1 from my keyboard, going to fill effect, vertical. So from here I will be selecting this white, color 1, gray, and this gray, and I will be selecting this one, press OK. So now I'm going to insert. From insert I'm selecting this shape, I'm inserting one text box here. I'm applying comic to 16, making this bold. Again I'm going to my format, shape fill, none, shape outline to none. I'm selecting my this shape, right click on it, going to format shape. From here I will be selecting this my gradient color. I'm selecting again my this solid line and making this white. Now I'm going to change the text color to white. Center and middle align. Now I'm going to insert. From here I will be selecting icon, going to graphic format. From here I will be selecting 0.50, graphic fill will be white. So now I'm going to my view. From here I will be unchecking these both two options. Now I will be selecting this area, making the black. So now I'm going to change the name of this to my shipping dashboard orders tracking. So now we are going to move toward giving it the final touch. So I'm selecting my this area and going to remove to no fill. Now I'm going to my page layout. From here I'm going to select this gradient color, this background color, and from here I will select the gradient color, black gradient. So I will be selecting this color, insert. So now I'm selecting these of my slicers and shifting them on the left side. Again I'm selecting these of my charts. So I'm going to format, and here I will be selecting 2.26. I'm selecting all of my these charts and I'm going to this shape format from here. I'm moving towards my align, and I will be aligning them distribute horizontally, and I will be selecting one more option from here, align to top. These charts are aligned with reference to each other. I'm selecting these ones and applying these both options on this as well. Align top and distribute horizontally. So now these all of my charts are aligned with reference to each other. Now I'm going to my month trend, and I will be, this is my order trend. Basically this is for my monthly and yearly trend. I'm copying this and I'm going to change its name to day trend. Now I'm going to its show field list, and I will replace this year and month index with my day, with this day. So now I'm going to insert, and I will be using this line chart. Right click on it, hide all fill buttons, press this, delete this, select this one, Control X, and I'm going back to my main dashboard. Here I will paste it, and I'm setting its height to 2.57. Selecting this one, and this my background and font color to white. Make it bold. Applying the same format on data labels as well. Now I'm double clicking on my this chart, and I'm going to format shape fill to none, and outline will be black. Applying this same format on it, selecting this one, and shape fill to no fill. I'm selecting this of my chart and press F4 to repeat the previous task. F4, 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 F4. Now I'm double clicking on my this chart. I'm selecting this line, and I will convert its color to white. Make it 3. Same with this line, selecting this one, solid line, make it white. Select the complete line, solid line to white, and make it 3. Now I'm going to select all the elements on my chart, and I will convert them to white. Selecting this one, I'm pressing F4. These are my days. Make them group. Copying this format, Control Alt V, and I will paste this format here. Press F4 to enter the format here. So I'm converting its outline to white. I think white is looking more attractive, so I'm converting its outline to white. More, you can add the trend line here. Trend line, solid line to black 3. Now if you will select any month, so this is suggesting you that your sales must be between 1500 to 2000. So this is the purpose of this linear forecasting line. One more thing that I'm going to change in this dashboard, that is I'm going to right click on it, going to change chart type. From here I will be selecting this donut chart, and I'm pressing OK. I'm double clicking on it, selecting this one, going to here, and I will make this 75%. Now I'm selecting this section, only this color, and I'm going back here. From here I'm going to solid line to my this color, and I will make it 5, I think 8. Now I'm selecting this one, going back solid line, and here I will be selecting this color, and I will make it 1. So you can use this chart as well here. Now the ball is in your court. It is totally on you. You want to use this chart here, or you want to use this one. Now I'm selecting this one, and I'm going to remove the background color to none. I'm also going to change its background, the border color to white. So at the end, I'm just clicking my this line, and I will make it smooth line. My wonderful viewers, we are thrilled to share that the import export dashboard project brought to you by Data Universe has been successfully completed. You can access the file by simply clicking on the link provided in the description. If you have found the information in the video valuable, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel Data Universe. The motto of the Data Universe is from data to discovery. Your engagement means the world to me. Your feedback and subscriptions are a driving force that motivates us to continually create exceptional content for your benefit. Stay connected for more exciting updates and projects. Thank you so much for being the part of this amazing community and supporting our journey towards the discovery.